Hey you guys, welcome to the Royalty Loyalty family. I got my gang right here. Say what's up, y'all.
What's up, y'all?
They acting all shy. They be wanting to vlog, but be acting some type of way. Say hey, mama. Wipe her nose, y'all. Say hey, mama. Okay, so this is our vlogging channel, Royalty Loyalty family. Okay, so the reason why I picked Royalty Loyalty for our channel is because for one, I'm manifesting royalty into our family, and we're also royal anyway. We may not have the crown, we may not have everything that everybody else got, but guess what? Oh, trust me and believe, we gonna be that family, okay? Okay, so also the reason why I chose loyalty as the title of our channel is because we're loyal to each other. Loyalty comes first, period. But anyway, y'all, so today we are going to be going on like a nature trail. I'm gonna try to take them around so we can go out and have some fun and interact with nature.
But
Y'all want to go that way?
yeah, we're about to go that way. But
You wanna
yeah,
go there?
we're about to go over there.
Okay. Trying to see when we come back.
After we come back, we will do that. But I'm have to go on this nature trail. It's so good.
And this is only just like one of the nature trails that we're gonna go on. Like, it's not like
Say hey.
one of those we gonna see lizards,
Yeah.
alligators, and all of that. I'm not doing all of that.
Me
I did the
either.
little.
We ain't on naked and afraid.
I'm done with you.
You like it, Zora? Come on, Mama. You going this way, then you going that way, then you going. Okay, but Sean's the leader of it. This a dead end. Okay, we're about to look at the view.
Oh, this like a nature trail down there.
Look at that little bowl.
Look at the beach, y'all.
Oh, look at the beach. It looks so fun. I want to go to the beach this summer. Look at that big old log. Look at the beach.
Y'all see that?
I want to jump down here.
Baby Zora is like, get me out of here.
Let's go.
Y'all, her favorite song is Big Gangsta by Kevin Gates.
What you know about Big Gangsta? Okay, now we're about to go to this little part of the nature trail so we can see the leaves and that stuff.
Okay,
That's
it says
pretty.
Southern Magnolia.
Look at that pretty green.
Oh, I guess those are it up there, y'all.
Yeah, I think those are it. But Sean found another one.
Ivy, poison ivy.
Poison ivy. We ain't got time, y'all.
Yeah.
I need to see what poison ivy look like, cause I ain't never known what it looked like. Hold on, y'all. That look like it right there.
That. Ugh. We have to stay away from poison.
You gotta like bad ass kids and people and they damn dogs. Hang on, guys. Y'all see it, y'all?
Ugh.
The shit. And yes, I cuss around my kids. Yes, the shit that they got.
I'm about to pour this water on.
Oh my God. Hurt. Come on, don't step in it. Just walk around. Leon is so extra, y'all. Sean just leaving us. He like, he's trying to see everything. Sean found another one.
Water oak.
Water oak.
Water oak. Oh, that. I found one. You see that thing that look like Squidward nose? That.
Girl,
Let
it's
me show y'all.
It's that right there.
That's what I was pointing at. Let me see. Can I see the camera? Okay. So y'all, look at these writings.
Be careful, he got some old
Dog poop. That's seaweed. That's seaweed. I be eating seaweed, but it's nasty. Try seaweed, guys, and tell me like if y'all like seaweed. If y'all don't, look at this graffiti. It look like those little masks. Look at Jesus cross and look. That's cool. I want to learn how to draw those. Had that little cute flower. These kids are good artists.
It looks like we're almost there.
Look at those hearts. Wax material.
Let's make sure. Wax myrtle. Sean said wax material, y'all. This is why I make him read. There's a trail up there, but guess what?
We go up there?
When we come back.
Okay, I want to jump in that water.
Look at the railroad track. That is so beautiful, y'all. Like, imagine being on a train and like you just see the water. You just looking out the window like back in the shit in the day.
Sean saw a bird.
Look, they got all of this cussing. Fuck my friends. They just take something good and fuck it up for everybody.
Look at that leaf. I ain't gonna touch it because I think it's poisonous. Look at that big old wood. Whew.
Winged sumac.
That's what it looked like. Now let's try to find it. I saw that over there.
Well, they got it. They're over there.
Didn't I show
you see the colorful ones? Over there, straight ahead. The little color. Y'all, it's hot. And this is a long walk. This is a long walk.
It's a train track.
I was telling you. The train track.
Samantha.
Look.
Look at that beach. I just want to
beautiful,
go
y'all.
over there and jump in the water.
Just how long does it take to get there? Zora has never been to the beach before.
Yeah.
Never. Live oak.
Live oak.
Okay.
It's from Virginia.
It's one of these trees right here. So I guess this is the live oak tree, y'all.
Yeah. I didn't step in the doo-doo.
That's not from Virginia. It's just written in Spanish.
I didn't step in doo-doo.
Good. Because you was going to have to walk home. She was going to have to walk home, y'all. Excuse us and how we hold this camera. Oh, okay, so you can go down to the beach that way.
Oh, I'm about to go to the beach, y'all. Oh, and once we go to Indiana, can we vlog us going to the beach when we get all settled in?
They don't have a beach in Indianapolis. They got lakes. I guess the lake is kind of like this. Look. Imagine.
We're gonna go there when we go back down and go to the thing.
So I can get lost?
No.
And no, we can't go through there because it's poison ivy and I don't want Zora to get. Yeah. Here we come, Sean. Look at Sean, y'all.
Sean never captained these.
He's the
long leaf pine.
long leaf pine.
But it's like green.
Nuh-uh, that's this right here. It's like, you know them brown things y'all be playing with sometimes?
Yeah.
Like straw. That's like hay, I guess. I guess Liana just doing all the vlogging because she's enjoying it, even though she ain't holding the camera no better than I am.
Can I hold?
Oh my God, look at these stairs. We still walking, bro. Your pine holly?
Your pine
Your
holly.
pine holly. Where's it?
So it's like
Did
that.
you spot it, Sean?
So it's like with berries. Okay,
no, did you spot this one down here?
It's like berries.
Where's that?
Where is it?
I don't see no your pine holly. What holly?
It's probably
It's right here.
That is not your pine holly.
I
Look,
don't know what holly at.
I'm about to show y'all. This is what Sean found. And this is what we looking at. So we can't find it though. So yeah. I'm about to show y'all how I hold the camera versus my mama. I hold the camera like this. My mama hold the camera like this. Ooh. That ain't holding the camera. That ain't.
Look.
Virginia creeper. Oh,
a Virginia
that's
creeper.
like a 4-leaf clover, but it's a 5-leaf.
I don't see him.
Right there. Wait, not there.
I don't see him.
I'm about to show y'all. It's right there, but it's just messed up, so you can't really see it good. But it's okay because Shine, look at Shine. He's going too far.
First of all, you ain't even holding the camera. You talking about, look at Shine.
You be holding it shaking. I don't be holding it shaking.
Girl, I'm walking. I ain't got no choice but to shake. You heard that? Uh-huh. It's a bear.
A bear?
She's a runner. She's a track star. This got me feeling like Tarzan. But I ain't getting down there.
I want to go down there.
Oh no, Sean.
I will show them. Guys, I just found a bed thing. Like it was, yeah, I know. It's like a workout thing. Look, y'all. Right there. And the beach again. And those houses.
So they can see.
The beach and the house.
Let me see.